Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-F4+Z semi-automatic stripping and crimping machine for tubular ferrule terminal. Equipped with imported pneumatic components, it delivers stable and reliable performance. The vibrating plate system doesn't need replacement when switching terminal sizes, reducing changeover time and boosting productivity. With a touchscreen for easy parameter adjustments and a visualized operating system for real-time monitoring, it's user-friendly and efficient. The integrated wire twisting function prevents reverse wire strands after stripping, ensuring cleaner terminations and improving the qualified rate. Designed for crimping international standard tubular ferrule terminals, this machine integrates stripping, twisting, terminal insertion, and crimping into one seamless process, significantly improving production efficiency. It handles wire sizes from 0.5 to 4 square millimeters, with stripping lengths of 6 to 16 millimeters and terminal lengths of 6 to 12 millimeters.